Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. The bomb cyclone that we were showing you yesterday on this map is definitely looking a lot less impressive, but still you can see the swirling there in the Pacific waters, and that continues to bring us these showers this morning. Again, it's mainly between the Cascade Ridgeline and western Siskiyou County. For points in between, that's where we're seeing some of the showers for this morning. But it's going to clear out of here as soon as we get to lunchtime. Now, we could have a few more showers left on the map, but definitely we're going to be a lot drier. And that low will continue until the late evening. When we're talking about, 7, 8, 9 p.m., that's when we could see some showers starting to come back to the coastline, working their way inland, and then that'll continue into Wednesday morning. But then once again, we'll hit another little lull in the action for the rest of Wednesday, and this one's going to be a bit more prolonged as we're looking even drier for Thursday. Here's some of the rainfall projections we're expecting through Wednesday night. And again, this is not a complete picture of what we're going to see from this span of days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We had a lot of rainfall along the coast yesterday, but all this to say that in addition to the rain that's already fallen, we could have an additional inch there along the coast, maybe for the mountains as well, but definitely a lot less when you start talking about the Rogue Valley and especially the Shasta Valley and east side. So for today, the best coverage of showers will be to the west of the Cascades, mainly before lunchtime. Today's highs will be about 10 to 15 degrees below average for this time of the year, which means we're going to feel very fall-like out there. And winds today will still be blustery, especially for the coast and for the Cascades, but a little bit calmer compared to yesterday. But they'll still gust out of the west and southwest, upwards at maybe 40 to 45 miles per hour. And then for tonight, the winds will continue to be pretty blustery and strong along the coast, up in the Cascades, as they could still gust between 35 to 45 miles per hour. But for the rest of us, winds should be a lot calmer. Like you saw in Stormcast, I think the bulk of the rain for tonight is going to be along and west of the Cascades, just like it'll be for today. We'll continue to have more shower chances, of course, as we head into Wednesday, then into Thursday and Friday as well. Now, granted, it's going to be much drier starting on Thursday, but like you just saw in the graphic before this one, not a very good stretch of days to wash your car just because there will be so much rain in the forecast. And it's going to continue to feel pretty fall-like out there, as we'll continue to have temperatures staying about 10 to 15 degrees below average for this time of the year. So looking and feeling very fall-like out there for this week, which is pretty appropriate because it's the first full week of fall. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. Showers and even some thunderstorms looking likely for today. Leftover moisture in a Wednesday, and then definitely a lot drier starting on Thursday. For Siskiyou County, we'll see just a few showers for today, dry overnight, maybe a few more showers in a Wednesday, dry for Thursday, and then maybe a few more sprinkles for Friday. But overall, much drier compared to the coast. The basin is also looking pretty dry, just a chance for showers today, a little sprinkle for Wednesday, then maybe a little another sprinkle for Friday. You can see temperatures staying pretty consistent near 60 degrees. The winds will definitely be a factor over the next 7 days. And then for the mountains, staying pretty active through Wednesday, much drier starting on Thursday. And then we'll watch the weekend very closely as snow levels could get low enough for us to see some snow in elevations as low as Crater Lake. Not expecting any big accumulations, but just something to take note of. And then for the Rogue Valley, also much drier by Thursday, looking pretty dry and fall-like for this weekend.